Second thing I want to talk to you about is the Streetview and map. When you input a listing into the Ubertor system, it tries very hard to cross-reference the listing with Google Maps. The problem is that in a lot of areas it doesn't necessarily find the proper address using the description that you've input. When your listing is properly set up on your Ubertor site, it will have both a map and a Street View tab of the listing. Now, first I'll show you how to find that map. Make sure that it's activated properly on your website. So going back to this listings tab, if you click on your map tab, type in the address and hit search. And you should do this with every listing just to make sure that the address map point that comes up is actually the address of the building. As I say, Google Maps is great, but it does struggle with some listings. So I'll hit select. A nice feature that Ubertor has recently added is a manual override, and this is for the Street View section. So if I flip back to the listing itself, let's say that my address is correct and here I am at Street View. The trouble is that the building I'm looking for is actually across the street. So we're in the right area, we're just looking at the wrong building. And that's a pretty standard problem that we have with Street View. The Street View doesn't always know where to look. So if I flip back here, I can override my Street View orientation. In this case, I'll change it from north to south. Click on override. I'll go back to my listing and reload it. And what you'll see is that it's now showing up on the correct building. So that's just a little tip to make sure that A, you get good photos, and B, that your Street View and maps are behaving properly on your Ubertor website.